Got my 1982 GL500. It's in the shed today. And FedEx just delivered me a package I've been waiting for. I got a Quadlock system. I bought this myself. It's not an advertisement, but it looked like a cool product. And, you know, for those who know, I just started riding a motorcycle, and I thought it'd be fun to see if I could hook up my phone to this. And it already came with this. The previous owner put that on, so an easy way to charge the device. And so I got the whole Quadlock mount and the anti-vibration and the charging unit. So let's put you on a stand here. We'll open this up and see if we can't get this installed. It's the phone case. Here's the wireless weatherproof charger, and then the mount. Oh, and the vibration dampener. So, already dropping stuff. So 4 things all together. Should we start with the mount? I think so. Alright, got a lot of different sizes, it looks like. 1 1/8, 1 inch, and even 7/8. Comes with a tool. Looks like the bolt that you need. Looks like it's even got a little thread locker on it. And some more stuff in there too. A little ring, maybe to fill in a gap. And here's the remove before use. Here's the actual lock thing. Already I like the way it's built. Feels nice and strong, made out of metal. This little part is a hard plastic, and the way it all interlocks in here seems pretty cool. And then you tighten this down with a little bolt. Alright, so I'm going to put it on this side of the machine. I think that's where I want to do it. So let's see if I can find the right spacer. Seems like the 7/8 spacer, which is like the stock one, seems like that's the best fit. I don't know if I need it facing this way. Oh yeah, I think that's gonna work out. Make sure I can get this bolt in there still. Yeah, that's perfect. Not exactly sure how this goes on. Looks like, okay, yeah, it bolts in. Okay. And I can always reorient this, you know, if I don't like the way it is, but I think this will work out. Okay, and I got the phone case here. It should fit my iPhone XR, whatever it is. So that's how that goes on. That's sweet. So you just push that to release it. You have to kind of push in. I'll show you this way. See how that releases it? So when you push down on this, it moves that off to the side. Get used to it here. There you go. Yeah, I think I like that angle. I can angle it a little bit. I think that's good. Here's the phone case. I actually really like the way it feels. It's pretty sleek. And it just has this little bump for the quad lock. But that's quite nice. Two more items here. I think I'll go with the vibration dampener. I'd imagine that this is going to go on first and then you get the wireless charger last. It seems to make sense, right? Right, so let's see what this looks like. I'm sure it just, like everything else, probably just locks right on there. Yeah, pretty simple looking. Okay, I imagine there's a bolt again, and looks like they supply the Allen key for it. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, from looking at this diagram here, it looks like on the top you're either going to have the connector that it comes with or the wireless charger. So I think in the end I'm probably going to take this off for the charger, but underneath that is supposed to be the vibration dampener. So we have to take this off and then put the dampener underneath it. Okay, here's the dampener. That's pretty cool. Okay, we have the wireless charger. That's the best way to open the box, right? Or you just destroy it. Yeah. Okay. It's cool. Kind of comes with a seal on it. And then a bunch of components. Oh, there must be a bolt in there. Oh yeah, okay. Well, they even give you zip ties. Alright, this all looks pretty simple. I think what you do is put that bolt in, tighten that down like everything else. You have your port there for the USB charger. Yeah, it looks pretty self-explanatory. That's pretty cool. I don't have it plugged in yet, just want to see how. Oh yeah. Oh, it's like you could twist it. I don't know how to release it off this though. We'll have to look at the instructions. It really locked my phone on there. Okay, that's not difficult at all to get on. So there's on and then off. It just, you have to release it like right there. So I was going a little too far. There you go, charging already. Pretty cool. Alright, they give you some zip ties like I said, so I'll just button up all this and try to tuck it so it's not all in the way, but really sweet. I like it. I think that's gonna be nice.